What's going on, fellow Star Wars fans? It's Prestige back with another Star Wars video. Now, General Grievous is one of the coolest looking villains in all of Star Wars. I remember when I was young and went to see Revenge of the Sith in theater for the first time and was like, oh, cool, coughing, talking robot. But why does General Grievous cough? Well, in canon and legends, we have two different explanations for this. Are you interested in Star Wars, what ifs, analysis, and other interesting Star Wars related stuff? Then hit the subscribe button. We can share a passion of Star Wars together. Without further ado, let's get started. So, in canon, the explanation for why Grievous coughs is not as exciting as it is in Legends, but we'll get to Legends in a second. In canon, when Grievous had his cybernetics implanted in him, which made his original lungs irritated and gave him the cough. Honestly, I think this one's kinda lame compared to the way Legends explained it. In Legends, when Grievous was escaping with Chancellor Palpatine during the Battle of Coruscant, Grievous had an encounter with Mace Windu, where Mace used Force Crush and caused his cybernetic implants to cut into his lungs, making it so he would cough and wheeze due to this. This happened during the original Clone Wars series from 2003, and honestly, if you haven't seen the original Clone Wars series, I would highly recommend to check it out. It was really entertaining. Now, both Legends and canon came to the same conclusion. It's just how they got there is the big difference. But man, the way Legends did it was so much cooler. However, it's funny to me that cough originated when George Lucas had bronchitis when he came into work one day, and they decided to add a cough to General Grievous. I mean, it's pretty cool, right? Video on the right is my newest Star Wars What If. What if Anakin never turned to the dark side? I think you might enjoy that one as well if you enjoyed this one. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.